Hello guys, you're welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Benedicta and you're welcome to Benny Soul's YouTube channel. So today we are going to be learning how to fix the easiest method to fix a zipper to a cloth. So here I have the zip. The name of this zip is called the Caterpillar zip. So I use it sometimes in some of our outfits. So here we're going to be fixing this zipper to this dress, which I'm almost done with. So here, so I'm going to be taking the zipper. This is the front of the zipper, and I'm going to be placing it the right side of the zipper facing this side of the fabric, that is the left side of the fabric. So I'm going to add already left 1 inch sewing allowance, zipper allowance I mean to say. So we're going to be sewing it on that 1 inch zipper allowance. So first off, I'm going to mark my zipper allowance, which is 1 inch. So this is my 1 inch here. So here I'm going to use a pin to hold it down. But first I'm going to measure it towards the end of the fabric here. Let me mark out my 1 inch zipper allowance then. So I'm marking my 1 inch there. Here's my 1 inch zipper allowance. So right now I'm going to place the zipper right side to that particular part. I'm not placing all the zipper towards the end. I'm leaving at least quarter of an inch or 3/4 of an inch there, and I'm going to pin it right there. So pin it right there so it doesn't move around. This pin is not sharp. So I'll pin it right there so it doesn't move around. So I'll move over to the edge and I'm going to start sewing from the beginning of the fabric. Adjust it. So I'm going to move over from the beginning and then I'm going to start sewing from here all the way down, observing the 1 inch zipper allowance I had already left. So here I'm going to place it right under my sewing machine footer, like so. So here is my 1 inch, and I pin it down and use my needle to hold it down and then adjust the fabric. Adjust it, and then I'm going to start sewing from there. I'll keep adjusting until I get to the end of the zipper. Using my left hand to hold the zip in place. I think this zip is shorter. So I'm using my left hand to hold it in place, and I'll keep sewing until I get to the end. Here. Sorry. I'll make a back stitch. So I noticed my zip doesn't really get to that particular place where I marked initially because it's a turtleneck blouse, so it didn't get to that place, but whichever way it still looked good. So this is what we have after sewing it down, so very close to the teeth of the zip, and it will look like so. Then we're going to go over to the other side, and then first off I'm going to match the half length of both sides. First of all, let me mark the 1 inch zipper allowance I had left. This is my 1 inch zipper allowance, and then I'm going to match the half length there so they don't look up and down after sewing. So I'll match it. After matching it, I'll pin it down. I'll pin it down so it doesn't move around. So look, it's matching each other, and then this is what I have. Then I'll start from, for the other side of the zip, I'll be going from the lower part, that is the hem part of the zip. I'll mark out my 1 inch zipper allowance there. My 1 inch, so I'll place it there, adjust it, and I'll start sewing from there. I'll place it underneath my machine, start sewing from there. And then I'll push the zip inward. I'll adjust the fabric, and then I'll start sewing close to the feet. So very close to the feet of the zip. So as I sew, I'll remove the pin. As I sew, I'm going to remove the pin. So as I'm sewing, I'll remove the pin, and then continue sewing. And as I'm sewing, I'm using my left hand to control the zip from moving aside. I'm controlling the fabric itself. So we're almost done. So continue here. Continue until you get to the top of the fabric and then make the back stitch. And then voila, we're done. So I'll trim out the threads. So I'll turn it to the front so we'll see what we have. So this is it. This is what we have. It's looking so beautiful. It's looking so beautiful. Okay. So if you're new on our YouTube channel, please, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for our returning subscribers, we love you. Please, and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload, you get to see. This is looking beautiful. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. God bless you.